Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's take a look at GBPUSD for today. So, guys, you can see that GBPUSD has now given us, it has now broken this our major support level. You can see from this support level, GBPUSD has been reacting to this level multiple times. You can see it multiple times, and it has now broken this level. It means there will be more sell on GBPUSD. GBPUSD is now on a bearish move, and this bearish move will be heading straight to this. I will be seeing it drop to a level of 25000, right? That is the level we are expecting it to drop to. A level of 25000. That is the level. This is the level GBPUSD was actually dropped to before it give us a reaction. Once it drops to this level, I'm going to give you guys an update. But before that, we are currently running the mentorship program, which will be starting on Monday. So you need to join, especially if you trade GBPUSD. This mentorship program will be running for maximum of 2 months. We are not looking to extend it for 3 months or 4 months or 5 months or 6 months or 7 months or a year. No, we are not running that a yearly mentorship. No, it is within 2 months, right? Within these 2 months, we are going to be packed with a lot of knowledge. So what we'll be looking at on this mentorship is how to analyze this chart like a pro. I'm sure you guys, as a visitor to this channel, you are actually watching how I'm analyzing this. So you'll be taught on how to analyze it, the key levels. You'll be taught strategies that works best on USD especially GBP USD strategy that works on it. The fundamental news, the news that works best on USD, how it moves it. You'll be taught on that, how to enter the trade, how to take profits, exit trade, how to also use the best indicators, chart patterns you should also look out for, risk management, trade management, and more will be look out. We are going to look into everything for just 100 USD, and this course will be running for 2 months, maximum 2 months. So if you are interested, you definitely want to be on this mentorship. You will find the link to this our mentorship program in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you'll find it. Now with GBP USD, it is simple. At first, we can see that this was an uptrend move, right? Now market eventually range within this level, right? And guess what market has done? It has broken. So there's one thing that markets usually do. I'll tell you guys something. So if there is an higher highs, there's an higher lows on GBP USD. There's also an higher highs, and here comes the higher lows, right? Then we have another higher highs, and market eventually drops to this level here, higher lows. It's supposed to go ahead and give us a new higher highs, right? But it did not do that. It came to our previous highs, eventually drop again to the support level. What can you see? A ranging market move. So it means market is now ranging. At first, it was trending up. Now it was now ranging, right? So you can easily take this to be the support, and this will be seen as a resistance level. So all what you need to watch out for is a breakout. There are two ways markets will break out. There is going to be a breakout. So all you just have to do is keep your eye on it. So now, if market eventually comes to this support and resistance level and it broke above it, it gave us a breakout to the upside, you will see that that market will come to test it, this previous resistance level, right? And it will continue with the movement upward. But if market does not do that, eventually, market breaks below the support level, market must give you a pullback to test the support level. Once market tests the support level, then you can now continue with the movement downward. So it is exactly what GBPUSD has done. You can see at first it was ranging within this level. Guess what market did? It broke below this support level. What did it do next? It gave us a pullback to test this our previous support level. After it tested our previous support level, what next happened on GBPUSD? Another drop has been made. You can see that this drop has been made. So what next do you expect? A pullback and another drop. So this is my targets that I just mentioned for you guys to 1.25000. That is our targets. We are very much likely to break below it, but I'll give you guys an update. So if you want to learn how to analyze this chart properly, the way I am doing it for you guys, join the mentorship program. You will find the link to the mentorship program in the comment section.